ओडिसाच्या बालासोरात जाल्ल्या रेल्वे अपघातात 275 जणांक मरण आयिल्ल्यान आनी 800 परस चड लोकांक दुखापत जाल्ल्यान रेल्वे मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णवान राजीनामो दिवचो अशी मागणी काँग्रेसीन केला। दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार फ्रांसीस सार्दिनान ह्या अपघाता खातीर केंद्र सरकाराक जापसालदार धरला। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जर न्याय निवाडो करपाक सक्षम आसात जाल्यार ताणें पयलीं रेल्वे मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णवाक काडून उडोवचो अशें काँग्रेसीचें म्हणणें आसा।
By the accident that occurred in Odisha, where two trains collided and the third goods train, which was static, they dashed against that train. And up to now, 275 people have expired. It's a very sorry state of affairs. Hearts of all congressmen of Goa and elsewhere in the country, all those who are responsible for this criminal act, they should be put behind bars. And even those who are from that department, if they are responsible, they should not only be suspended, but they also should be put behind bars because their erratic behavior has been responsible for this criminal act. So many families have lost their dear and near ones, their only breadwinner. In fact, opposition is saying that the minister should resign. This is being done right from Nehruji's time. Well, I wouldn't like to comment on this. But if the minister is responsible for not approving all this what was asked by the department, to avoid the accidents, then surely minister is also responsible.